Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 335 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is called Warmth Within, a gentle practice to warm your body, soften your thoughts, and bring comfort to your day. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale with ease. If you've been feeling cold lately, in your body or in your mood, let this be a moment to create a little warmth from the inside out. Relax your shoulders. Soften your hands and feel the breath spreading a quiet heat through your chest. Now, say to yourself, warmth is available to me. Comfort can start inside me. And my thoughts can soften like warm light. Let each inhale feel like a gentle glow, and let each exhale melt tension little by little. Notice how even imagining warmth softens the edges of your day. When you are ready, return to the present moment and carry this inner warmth with you wherever you go. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.